Dustin here, Smoking Eagles Rod Shop, and as you can see, we've got a few pinholes of rust in the fenders of the merch van. Now, it is letting a little bit of daylight and moisture into the box right down in there, and this is how I plan to fix it. I've sprayed everything with this rust reformer and a little bit of black spray balm to hopefully slow that rust down. I've got some closed cell foam backer rod you can get at any big box store. I'm gonna stick it down in this crack, glue it in there, and this is what you get. I just covered that all up with some silicone and some black spray balm so it'll stay flexible. Make sure you go in the comments below and tell me how I should have cut this whole quarter panel off and never drove the van again. I gotta make a parts run. Keep on wrenching. Peace.